Ever wonder if your retirement savings are actually enough? Or if you'll be working way past your dream retirement age? The truth might shock you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling one of the most important questions you'll ever ask yourself. How much money do you actually need to retire comfortably? Forget the vague numbers you've heard. We're breaking it down with real strategies, realistic calculations, and tips to make sure your golden years aren't filled with stress over money. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Trust me, this is the kind of info that could literally change your retirement plan, and you won't want to miss it. The 4% rule explained. Let's start with the golden rule of retirement, the 4% rule. This rule says you can safely withdraw 4% of your retirement savings every year without running out of money. So if you have $1 million saved up, you can pull out $40,000 annually. Here's why this works. Your money keeps growing through investments while you're taking withdrawals. The stock market historically returns about 7% per year after inflation. You take 4%, leaving 3% to keep your nest egg growing and protecting you against inflation. This rule has been tested over decades and holds up even during market crashes. But here's the catch. The 4% rule assumes you'll live for 30 years in retirement. If you're retiring early, you might want to be more conservative and use 3% or 3.5% instead. Calculate your retirement number. Now let's get personal and calculate your magic number. First, figure out how much money you spend each year right now. Take your monthly expenses and multiply by 12. Let's say you spend $4,000 per month. That's $48,000 per year. But retirement is different. You won't have work expenses like commuting, work clothes, or eating out for lunch every day. Most financial experts say you'll need about 70% to 80% of your pre-retirement income. So if you need $48,000 now, you'll probably need about $38,000 in retirement. Now here's where the math gets easy. Take that annual retirement expense and multiply it by 25. Why 25? Because that's basically the 4% rule flipped around. If you need $38,000 per year and multiply by 25, you need $950,000 saved. That's your target retirement number. What about Social Security? Here's where things get interesting. Social Security isn't dead, despite what some people say. The average Social Security payment right now is about $1,900 per month, or $23,000 per year. But don't count on getting that much. The system is under pressure, and benefits might get reduced in the future. Here's the smart way to think about Social Security. Consider it a bonus, not your main plan. Let's go back to our example. If you need $38,000 per year and Social Security gives you $20,000, you only need to cover $18,000 from your savings. Multiply $18,000 by 25, and suddenly you only need $450,000 saved instead of $950,000. That's way more achievable, right? But remember, don't put all your eggs in the Social Security basket. Treat it as a safety net, not your main strategy. The real cost of healthcare. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, healthcare costs. This is where most retirement plans fall apart. The average couple retiring today will spend $315,000 on healthcare throughout retirement. That's not including long-term care, which could add another $150,000 or more. Before you're 65, you'll need private insurance, which can cost anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per month, depending on your health and where you live. Once you hit 65, Medicare kicks in, but it doesn't cover everything. You'll still pay for Medicare premiums, supplemental insurance, prescriptions, dental, and vision care. Budget at least $500 per month for healthcare costs, even with Medicare. The smart move? Add an extra $100,000 to your retirement savings just for medical expenses. Better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Inflation is your enemy. Here's something most people forget. Your money loses value over time. What costs $38,000 today might cost $50,000 in 20 years. That's inflation eating away at your purchasing power. Over the past century, inflation has averaged about 3% per year. Some years it's higher, some years it's lower, but it never stops. This is why keeping all your retirement money in a savings account is a terrible idea. You need your money to grow faster than inflation. This is where investing comes in. Stocks historically beat inflation by about 4% per year. Even in retirement, you should keep a good chunk of your money invested in the stock market. A common rule is to keep your age in bonds and the rest in stocks. So if you're 65, keep 65% in bonds and 35% in stocks. As you get older, shift more toward bonds for safety. Different retirement lifestyles. Not everyone wants the same retirement. Some people dream of traveling the world. Others want a simple life in a small town. Your lifestyle choice dramatically changes how much you need. If you want a basic, comfortable retirement, staying in your current home, maybe some travel, eating out occasionally, you're looking at that 70% to 80% of your current income we talked about earlier. If you want a luxury retirement with international travel, golf club memberships, and regular dining at nice restaurants, bump that up to 100% or even 120% of your current income. Want to live super frugal? Some people retire on just 50% of their working income by moving to low-cost areas, cutting unnecessary expenses, and living simply. There's no wrong answer here. It's about what makes you happy. Just be honest with yourself about what you really want. When to start saving? The key to retirement savings is when you start, not how much you earn. Thanks to compound interest, starting early makes a huge difference. $300/month from 25 grows to $800,000 by 65. But starting at 35 or 45 earns much less. Even at 50, you can still build a fund if you save aggressively. The most important step is to start now. Common retirement mistakes. Let's talk about the biggest mistakes that destroy retirement plans. Mistake number 1. Underestimating how long you'll live. People are living longer than ever. If you retire at 65, you might live another 25 or even 30 years. Plan for a long life. Mistake number 2. Ignoring taxes. Your retirement withdrawals might be taxed. Traditional 401(k)s and IRAs are taxed when you withdraw. Factor this into your planning. Mistake number 3. Retiring with debt. Credit cards, car loans, even mortgages eat into your retirement income. Aim to retire debt-free. Mistake number 4. Not having an emergency fund. You still need cash for unexpected expenses in retirement. Keep at least 1 year of expenses in easily accessible savings. Mistake number 5. Following the crowd instead of planning for yourself. Your neighbor's retirement plan won't work for you. Everyone's situation is different. So, what's the bottom line? The amount you need to retire comfortably depends on your lifestyle, your goals, and the smart moves you make today. Start planning, save strategically, and make your money work for you, not the other way around. If this video helped you think about your retirement differently, smash that like button, subscribe for more financial insights, and drop a comment below. What's your retirement goal? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.